Good hotel and value for money. It's a very good hotel with classic pool and good gym. Beautiful. Looking for big space, comfort, and a very good holiday, this is the place to go. Although a bit of a distance from London, max 40 minutes, I will not change it for anything. It's one of best so far. Easily comparable to a 5-star in central London. Excellent location. Everything about this hotel is first class. Staff are friendly, efficient, knowledgeable and very approachable. Rooms are spacious with excellent views, bathroom also very spacious, well equipped, ample supply of large soft towels. The beds are so comfortable. We had breakfast in the restaurant, food is excellent and the staff were so attentive. We would definitely recommend this hotel. Very nice stay here. My daughter loved the space. K West, very bright room, clean and comfortable. Value for money, the receptionists are very helpful, the room is big, location is convenient. Perfect if you are visiting Excel London. Really nice hotel, located right next to Excel. Perfect if you are attending a conference. The DLR is located right outside the hotel and it's only a handful of stops to Tower Bridge. Perfect for Excel, good sized room, breakfast coffee awful. You are staying here for one reason only, to be close to Excel. It serves that purpose very well. Large room, comfortable bedding connected by a dedicated walkover. Only complaint is that they do not have a proper coffee machine at breakfast. Only Americano style. No caps or lattes. Small complaint but should be standard at a hotel of this type. Satisfactory stay. The hotel is nice, though the location is just too far from city center. It takes about 1 hour to reach London city center, but thank God for the direct access to public transportation. Very good, close to train station and convention and shopping facilities.